have another harvested giant zucchini. That, oh my god, it's so heavy. It's humongous. We already give 2 of this to our friends in the eastern Michigan, in Wyandotte area. Look at that. 5, 10, maybe 13 inches. 13 inches. Today we harvested this pumpkin. Then we have another 2 here. We put on display 2 pumpkin. They're big. This sunflower is so pretty. Look at those bees. They're so busy. Honeybee. Are you gonna sell all of that? Sa palengke. Kano benta mo? Matis. Ha? 5 piso bawat isa. Ito piso. Piso isang piraso. Salada, siling labuyo. Sa mga palamura dyan, sinusubok ng magulang nila. Yung mga mahilig dyan magmura, oh. Ito ang gamot. Siling labuyo. Bell pepper. Kampana ang sili. Yan. Ito, anong klase ng sili ito? 1. You're turning into a Mexican. That's his vegetable stand. Is that your retirement business? Ito, 2 piso. Kasi medyo malaki kumpara dito sa isa. 2 piso bawat isa. You're a perfect Mexican. You're doing a great job. Maltese Scottish. Just eat it with food. Bakit malamig na? Ang aga-aga pa. Para mag-winter. Dami mo ng pangbenta. For sale to all electricians. What about talong and okra?
Well, we'll get some. I had to empty the basket.
My order is talong and okra. This one is ghost pepper. Multong sili.
Very hot. XXX.
Perfect para sa mga matinding magmura. Isubo sa bunganga nila.
Talong and okra.
Shopping pa tayo more. Shopping pa more sa garden ng sariling gulay. We are shopping our own vegetable in our own garden. And then winter is coming. Winter is coming. I already harvested a lot of butternut. I don't know, I still have a lot to give away. Maybe I should bring it to the Mexican grocery. Give it for free. They can sell it. The sunflower is just one whole plant. It's packed with flowers. And then we have a hole here. The beautiful groundhog created a hole down there. Yeah. Here's the other garden. Talong. Talong and okra. There's more okra before the winter hit. Still flowering. There's a lot of okra ready for harvest. You want the clippings? The scissor?
Whichever.
You want the scissor? That okra is hard to get.
I've got my knife here.
That one get bad.
Yeah.
You need it to be. You can save it. So the seeds.
Do what?
Save it for the planting
Just leave it.
next year. Talong and sili.
And now okra.
There's more along. Long one.
Let them grow.
They're not gonna grow anymore because it's getting cold. This one is okra. Those one small. Cheap. The younger the okra, the better. Well, even it's hard, I chop it to pieces. You need the clippings because the okra is like that, lots of fiber. Still good than the other side. You can get that too. Sometimes we forget
Let me back out.
that too. There's yellow one here. Chili. advertisement for Haynes. Haynes underpants. Haynes. You gotta wear Haynes when you're gardening. Yeah, there's a lot of long ones. Yeah, because the insects is getting blown away.
Yeah.
There's another one there, oh.
Where that? Oh, I see.
That small chunky one there on top. Happy with your garden?
Oh yeah, it was overly productive. It was ridiculous. Not happy with the ground crop, cabbage and that stuff, but everything else was really good.
And there's a yellow chili.
Did really, really well.
Yellow salad chili. There's another talong here.
Yeah, I was gonna let that one grow. I got a lot of them here. I come get it.
This one. This.
Yeah, these ones turn different colors. These are like rainbow or gypsy peppers. Yeah.
Just have to remove the bad part.
It's not really.
It's Joe pumpkin.
Is it?
Yeah.
Man, what a beautiful, beautiful day.
It looks like a groundhog. It looks like the.
Nah, it's a deer.
Look at the
It's definitely a deer. It's a deer.
teeth prints. We grow a lot of butternut. We're having hard time to dispose it. We bring some of it to the church. The butternut squash is so easy to grow. You just stick the seed in the ground and they grow. One of the easiest vegetable to grow is squash. I don't know what is this one. Seems it's not gonna grow in the market. It's becoming fall season. That's the beauty of gardening. You get something to harvest every harvest season before winter. In the Philippines, you can harvest whole year round because we have no winter. The roses are done. Flowers and flowers. I see we harvested a lot of butternut. How much for the bell pepper, sir?
Put it back, please.
This flower is turning pink before fall. It's the brown thumb plant. It's like pink brownish. It's pink. Look. Pink. It's beautiful. It's like a broccoli. Pink broccoli. tomato is just kept growing, getting thicker and thicker. It's not gonna produce any fruit anymore because it's getting fall. Just grow there in between the rock. I didn't pull it out, I just let it grow. Such a big hole. It's floating in the air. I need more rocks. I'll just buy you one bag at a time of rocks. One bag at a time. This one's from the ruins, from the barn ruins. Painted our porch black. It's so nice. Modernized the look of this house. Look. It's black. It enhances more the plants. It's a modern look like Japandi. It's not done yet. Still have a leftover steps to paint. Then that one still needed to be painted over again. Black is nice. Give it a modern look. There's still a lot of chili here. I'll buy it all for $1.
$1?
Yeah.
I had to plan all that stuff and pick it, tend to it for $1?
Yeah, I wholesale.
Wholesale.
It's gonna be great. I'm gonna feel good. I deflate the price. No price gouging for you. $1. This is how you do it with your vegetables. With your extra harvest, you freeze it. Oh my god, it's so hard to open. Oh my god, I cannot open it. I need 2 hands. Put down the camera and use your 2 hands. As simple as that. Oops. Small freezer for the vegetables. Extra harvest. So So you can have vegetables even in winter. As long as the power doesn't went out. As long as there's no power outage. You just vacuum it. Vacuum seal. This is a jalapeno. We have a lot. Hot chili pepper. Who wanna buy? It's like an Asian store here. Huh?
I want you to hold the door for me. Here.
This storage room is going crazy.
Well, ever since we put that table in there. And it's just in here in one more moment. I gotta get the thing.
What?
The vacuum sealer. I'll grab it and you can just close the door for me.
The hoarder.
Now we're hoarding vegetables.
American hoarder. You have to buy an old house and be a hoarder.
Yep.
Just fill it up.
6 acres to hoard.
Just put a sign, storage room, to make it look like you're organized.
Yeah. Well, we just keep shifting stuff around. Can you turn the light up in there?
We're not sending our basura anymore. It's not basura, it's useful stuff we send to the Philippines. Now, it's been a while since the last time we sent. Because, oh, I forgot. I need to cook some rice. I'm gonna cook some sinigang. We bought a pork. He's gonna slow cook some of the pork, then I'm gonna cook sinigang. We have brown rice here. I ran out of white rice. Part of living in winter wonderland. Can't wait to live in the Philippines. We're gonna be minimalist in the Philippines. This is gonna go all to the charity. Okay, let's cook this rice. Brown rice for now. I forgot to get a white rice.
Depends on if it's sealed.
Oh, seems like it sucks some water.
It did a little bit, but there's a tray in here that you clear out.
The one that you can pull out, like a tray?
Yeah.
Tray dispenser, like in the Power Grill. I guess this one is a tray. You have to pull it out.
Don't play with it, love. I know how to do it.
These are the stuff you use.
There's still some liquid.
Food saver, reusable zipper bag,
Wipe it out.
different sizes.
When you do this, see how it's ribbed the bottom? That's got to be on the bottom. That's the way you're doing this.
We can open an Asian store or deli. Sell your baked tomatoes. Did you measure that? That's how many kilo of pasta?
I'm not sure. I just eyeballed it. That's enough for one serving, I think. One
handful of pasta.
Yeah. Yep.
hard as a rock.
Yeah, these ones are, I can't even get them apart. Look at they're like closed together.
Yeah, you have to just put it in the pan and let it.